Spectacular 5-bedroom home with an open floor plan and extremely well maintained inside and out. The interior features a huge, updated kitchen with an oversized center island with granite tops, stainless steel appliances including a double oven, tile floors, 40 uppers and a nice pantry. The kitchen opens up to the living room with a beautiful gas fireplace and lots of natural light, leading into the dining area with custom tile floor. 3 same 4 bedrooms up with real wood floors plus 2 down, 2 bathrooms, a large family room with a wall of built-ins, and lots of storage throughout. All of this plus beautiful landscape and curb appeal, a large paver patio, fenced in-ground pool, just need a new liner, wraparound deck, maintenance-free soffit and fascia, a garden shed, separate pool house/shed, a private well for watering.